Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the image you want, open Photos or Files, and pick the highest resolution shot available. Once done, tap Share and choose Use as Wallpaper, or go Settings, right arrow Wallpaper, right arrow Add New to begin. Make sure to crop and position the image with pinch and drag so important subjects aren't cut off. Also decide whether perspective zoom should be on. It moves the wallpaper slightly with device tilt, which can add depth but may crop edges. Next, you'll refine how the wallpaper behaves and where it appears. You can choose still for a static image, perspective to enable motion parallax, or live photo to animate on the lock screen when pressed. Then select whether to set the image for the lock screen, home screen, or both. These are independent choices and may require different cropping. Make sure to preview in light and dark modes. Certain images look different in each, so adjust scale and position until the preview matches what you want. To finish, tap Set and confirm whether you want the lock screen, home screen, or both updated. The change applies immediately. Once set, you can always revisit settings, right arrow Wallpaper to change or remove wallpapers, or to add a new wallpaper from a photo. If the image fails to apply, restart your iPhone and try again. Also verify screen time restrictions aren't blocking changes. If live photos don't animate, make sure haptic touch or press is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.